Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your TCL 30SE. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, go for the apps or games, and then here search for the Firefox. Select this app and we can install it. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and start customizing it. You can change light theme, you can change theme to light or dark or automatic. Toolbar placement from bottom to top, always on privacy settings from strict or to standard, synchronize Firefox between devices by signing app, or read this privacy notice. After doing everything, you can start browsing, open any website, and browser is ready. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.